The 500 watts is almost just twice as long as the 100 watts. Why? So this basically does not warm up. Hi everyone, it's April and I'm back, and this time I'm going to share with you Pulse laser cleaners. The first one is black pack style, available in yellow and black color, 100 watts, 200 watts and 300 watts optional. The weight of the black pack style is 20 to 25 kilograms, very suitable for outdoor or the situations when it's inconvenient to connect the power. By the way, the backpack style is also available with batteries included, and this is the battery in the front. The second one is a trolley type, also 100 watts, 200 watts, 300 watts optional. Trolley type is 30 kilograms. The third one is the cabinet style. There are air-cooled and water-cooled. This one is water-cooled. 200 watts, 300 watts, and 500 watts optional. As we all know, for cleaning some large steel structures, pipelines, etc., due to the large volume of fast heat dissipation, the substrate damage requirements are not high, then you can choose continuous laser cleaning. The Pulse cleaner is mostly used for more precise, higher value, need to strictly control the substrate heating, require substrate non-destructive application scenarios such as batteries, engine parts, molds, food containers, and so on. And from my personal experience, my customers buy it mostly for wood furniture paint removal, antique house cleaning, and automotive repair stores also like this equipment. There are customers carrying it around to others to do rust and paint removal services, charged by the hour. Let's take a look at the comparison of the cleaning speed of different power using 100 watts single mode and 500 watts multi-mode to do the comparison, cleaning the same area of the black paint. 100 watts single mode use 61 seconds, 500 watts multi-mode use 27 seconds. You can see the difference of the speed. My customers usually choose 200 watts or 300 watts more. It needs to be explained that because this 100 watts configuration has a single mode laser, single mode is a Gaussian beam, and this 500 watts configuration is multi-mode. Multi-mode is a flat-topped beam, and at the same power, single mode has a much greater energy density than multi-mode, so single mode will clean faster and multi-mode slower. However, the single-mode Gaussian beam will have an energy that exceeds the burn threshold, so it will cause some damage to the substrate, while multi-mode does not have an energy above the threshold, so it does not harm the substrate at all. For example, for mold fixture cleaning, it is required that the surface is not harmed and the fixture dimensions are not altered. It is more appropriate to use multi-mode Pulse cleaning. For thicker or more adhesive coatings, single mode is better because it has better energy density. Cost is generally a little more expensive for multi-mode than single mode. Single mode cleaned surface has this frosted feeling, and multi-mode cleaning is this glossy surface. Only the black paint cleaned off, all other retained. Touch is senseless. Now let's demonstrate how the backpack Pulse cleaner should be used. First, look at the power supply has electricity or not. Now it's 75%. About the duration of the battery, theoretically 100 watts can be used for 3 hours. 200 watts can be used for 2 hours. Please note that the pulse cleaner does not need to be connected to gas, which is very convenient. Click the power button to turn on the machine. The system interface can be switched to English. If you need other languages, they can also be customized. Then click on the lower right corner of this enable, it can be used. The scanning mode can be switched to rain, lion, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, circle, cyan, spiral, free mode. Edge coefficient can be adjusted to 0 on behalf of the repetition rate of 2 points of light. This is power, frequency, scan width, scan height, scan count. There will be a parameter table to tell you how to adjust. Click Enable and then pick up the cleaning head. And press this button on the gun head to start cleaning. This is a 100 watts single mode. Single mode energy density is high, so using naked eyes to see the effect of speed is also very good. Note that when used for a long time, be sure to wear laser protective glasses. The touch is a little hotter than the 500 watts multimode, but the surface is actually very detailed and smooth. Come on, let's compare the effect with 500 watts multimode just now. On the left is 100 watts single mode. On the right is 500 watts multimode. I don't think you can see the difference with the naked eyes. The right one just a little whiter. Let's open the box, which is mainly laser, gun, controller are wireless, Bluetooth. This is a power connector. This machine cannot be used with batteries, only plugged in. It can be 110 voltage or 220 voltage. This is a goggle. This is an actual lens. This cleaning head is very light. If this lens is dirty, it needs to be replaced. You can buy several more. If the lens deeper inside is broken, then you need to replace the whole gun. But generally the lens will not be burned. This is not the same as a welding torch. Because the welding torch power is too high, this will not. There are also climating and focusing lenses inside. The same principle as the welding torch, only the appearance is different. We just tried removing paint from wood. Now let's just try metal rust removal. The surface is smooth and delicate after cleaning. Let's try removing paint again. Still using 500 watts multi-mode. In fact, it is more appropriate to use single mode because this paint is very thick and adhesion is very high, needs high energy density. Removed. This is the paint. It can also be removed. It just breaks the surface into these small particles, so you must wear a mask when cleaning. Continuous and post are completely different. Continuous laser is burned off by high temperatures, so the temperature of the material will be very high. But these are knocked by the post laser, so this basically does not warm up. Its daily maintenance is also very simple. The main thing is that this lens should be wiped diligently with a damp paper towel or mirror cloth before cleaning. When not in use, please use the cover, but remember to take off the cover when you use it, otherwise it will burn. Normally, there is no need for other maintenance because it is air-cooled. It can be used for -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Well, that's all I want to share today. Anything else you would like to know, you can leave me a message in the comment section. This is April. Thanks for watching. See you next time.